right-wing activist and TV commentator Rahul Ishwar has been sent to a 14 days of judicial custody. His bail plea was rejected by the Trivandrum Additional Sessions Court in the cyber abuse case linked to the Rahul Mankootathil sexual assault investigation. Rahul Ishwar is accused of repeatedly targeting and insulting the survivor by publicly revealing her identity across television debates and social media after she filed a complaint against Congress leader Rahul Mankootathil. With the court rejecting bail and sending him to judicial custody, the case now moves into its next phase as investigators continue examining Ishwar's online conduct and its impact on the survivor.
Joined by Deepa Ishwar, wife of Rahul Ishwar, on the phone line. Deepa, thank you for making the time. Deepa, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
So, I was reading reports about how you felt, and correct me if I'm wrong, Deepa, that they just picked up your husband and it was all very politically motivated.
Yes, that's right, because the allegations that has been laid against Rahul Ishwar does not stand in a court of law, because they say that he has revealed the identity and the name of the victim, which is absent. It's not happened. You can any one of us can look through his social media handles and spot that this was a wrongful allegation. The second one charged against him is that he has used sexually colored remarks. Again, they haven't specified exactly what do they mean. So under what, on the basis of what evidence have they said that he's used sexually colored remarks? And they've not even quoted what exactly was the remark in the remand order, which means they're not sure what should they quote, which means this is all a fabricated case, because there are a lot of other issues happening in Kerala. For example, the Sabrimala issue and the gold theft and all of that. So there is a lot being done to take the focus off those important subjects as well. So definitely this is politically powered, and also the fact that elections are around the corner. So all of this together.
The thing is, I know Rahul Ishwar, he's an activist. He's, of course, calls himself very, very staunch Hindu. But I don't think he's really politically aligned to any particular party, because he speaks on issues. He does not speak on pure politics. He's been arrested, Deepa Ishwar. He was on my show. He comes regularly on my show. He was very clear that Rahul Mankootathil is being framed. He also said that the woman in question was in a relationship with him. And when I said that, well, the thing is that it could be coercion, because I quoted marital rape to him. He said, no, but they were planning a baby. So it's very, very clear that your husband, Rahul Ishwar, does support Rahul Mankootathil, Deepa Ishwar.
Yeah, I'm not saying otherwise. And I appreciate the fact that you said that he's not aligned to any political party, which makes it stand even more clear. So he's not, aligned to a particular party. But then Rahul Mankootathil is clearly a Congress party member. And there are elections around the corner. So there could be different, forces to shut down any voice that speaks for him for the benefit of any other parties. I'm not naming any political parties. Having said that, let me also put across the point that what Rahul has said about Rahul Mankootathil is also that, I have two sons. There are two sons growing up for us. I do not want them to get into a relationship with a woman, and later the woman turns around. It's a consensual relationship, by the way, both of them in agreement. And then one fine day, the girl turns around and says that I was raped. How do you prove otherwise? I'm not able to look at my son and tell him that you are safe tomorrow. Are only our daughters supposed to be safe? Aren't our sons also supposed to be safe? So when someone speaks against him, now I'm not trying to paint Rahul Mankootathil as a saint here. All I'm trying to say is that we should not be blinded by just one gender. We should be open to society, should be tolerant towards both genders. That's all I'm trying to put across. Being a woman, if I have to say this, it's because I love my sons. I want to be there for them in future. This is something that needs to be stopped. This is not the only case. Rahul Ishwar has spoken for actor Mukesh, actor Nivin Pauly. All of these cases which were purely fake, which was against the women. Now, what will happen? If anyone talks about MLA Mukesh, everyone thinks about that one case that came against him. What will happen to his reputation? So this needs to stop. That's all that Rahul Ishwar has been talking about.
I mean, that's for the judiciary to look at it. But what next, considering that Rahul Ishwar has been arrested, Deepa Ishwar? What are you learning? If you want to share something as to what the further movement on this would be.
Sorry, I didn't. So right now he's actually, we are in the court. His bail hearing has just got over, and we're just waiting for the verdict from the court. Hopefully he should get bail today. So yeah, we're all here waiting for that.